Here we go, Prime Hockey. Personal box number 2. Marty, we've got one last case. We've done 5 cases total of Prime Hockey. That's our last one we have. 64 bucks. We're down to 10 spots. Here we go. Hey, there's a former blue. Oh my lord. No, I didn't. Oh my gosh. This is a crazy card coming. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff. Brett Hull for the Stars. Brett Hull for the Stars. Brendan Morrow for the Stars. Holy crap. This is crazy. Quad rookie jersey auto, Cam Atkinson. Number to 199. For the Jackets. For the Senators, Colin Greening and Stefan DaCosta. Quad jersey. So, Ryder, there's another one. I can really take care of your PC. What the heck? Dude, I will take this box any day. Number 9 is 75, Brian Gionta. Namesakes autograph for the Montreal Canadiens. I'm going to save the next one. Prime signatures for the Predators, number to 50, Jonathan Blum. Oh, man. Oh, gosh. And next, number 1 of 18, Prime Colors Jumbo Patch. Oh, mercy. For the Tampa Bay Lightning, Steven Stamkos. Prime Colors Jumbo Patch, Steven Stamkos for the Lightning. Oh. Oh. Beauty. There it is.